very new into this investing field. I just finished my post graduation last year only, and now I can invest only up to 4 lakh. So can you please guide me on which company to start with and how to go ahead?
See, that should be your own decision, where to invest. No, you should, this your money, you should decide. We can help you in understanding the opportunity. And if you go to StartupLanes website, you'll find out some opportunities which has been already shared. The video of those demo days are there. We have recorded. And in case you feel interested, if you have 100 questions, we'll be happy to answer all those 100 questions. If you want to talk to the founders, we'll be happy. But ideally, it should be your own decision, right? I do this way. Even I don't take anybody's advice. Whenever I've taken advice, I've always made losses, or at least when somebody tells you to put in money, that is the wrong way to go about it, right? So opportunities could be shown, but you decide for yourself.